In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two videos in Canva. So for us to get this done, I want you to head over to Canva, and then from here, we're just going to go ahead and create a new design, and then we're going to go ahead and choose video. So once you are seeing something like this, I want you to go ahead and upload the files that you want to use. In my case, I already have them here under videos tab. Now what I'm going to do is just simply drag them. For example, the first one is here. I'm going to go ahead and drag it down below, and then I'm going to go ahead and shorten this to about 3 seconds. I think that's just what I need for now. And then the second one is going to be this one here. I'm going to add it in another plus sign or another slide. So there you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and shorten it as well back to around 3 seconds, just like so. And then what I'm going to do is just simply try to play this one. Actually, that is just how simple it is. If I were to go ahead and try to click this one in order to play it, you should be able to see that now we have merged those two videos. Now, say for example, you want to be able to put something in between, let's say for example, a transition, then that is also possible. So how do we do that one? Just go ahead and try to click the second page, and then you're going to hover over to the center or to the middle of the first and the second page. So just go over and click add transition, and then there are different transitions in order for you to be able to merge them smoothly. So I'm just going to try to choose dissolve. So I'm going to click this one, and then if I were to go ahead and play it once again, you should be able to see that now we have a smooth transition of how it goes. And yeah, that is basically how it works, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.